Drawing new objects always uses the current pen for object geometry. While it is possible to change the pen geometry manually before drawing each object, it is more efficient to create shorthands, so-called root styles. A root style is a set of pre-configured pen properties stored with a name attached to it. Selecting a root style in the bottom left part of the main window copies the geometry from the style to the pen. Clicking the Edit button pops up the root style editor for the style currently active. Changing the geometry of the style does not affect any object drawn using the style earlier, because objects do not remember how they were drawn. The two most important geometric properties of a text object is scale and thickness. Scale is the relative size of the font in percentage, 100 being the normal size. Thickness is the pen thickness used to draw glyph lines and arcs while rendering the text. When thickness is 0, line and arc thickness is calculated from scale. Root styles have a field for text scale and another for text thickness. Just like lines and arcs, new text objects are drawn using the current pen, which is typically set by selecting a root style. Once the text object is created, it doesn't remember the style used.